Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Here are some easy and fun paper craft ideas you can try for school projects or just for fun. For paper flowers, you need materials like colored paper, scissor, glue, pencil, and straw stick. Cut out several flowers petals in different sizes. From colored paper, arrange and glue them together starting from the largest to the smallest. Attach a straw or stick at the back to make a stem. Add a small circle of paper or a button to the center for decoration. The second step is for paper fans. Materials like A4 size paper, ribbon and markers. Fold the paper accordion style. Tie the bottom with a ribbon to hold the folds in place. Spread out the top part of foam. The third type is paper lengtheners. You need like fold a rectangular piece of construction paper in half lengthwise. Make evenly spaced cut starting from the folded edge but stopping before the end. Unfold the paper and glue the two shorter ends together to form a lantern shape. Choose an animal and follow step by step origami instructions. The next is paper bookmarks. Materials like colored paper, scissor, glue and markers. Cut a long strip of paper. Decorate the strip using markers, stickers or other small decorative items. Cut the paper to the size of the desired bag. Fold the sides and bottoms to create the bag shape and glue the edges together. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. And next is paper butterfly. Materials like colored paper, scissors, glue. Cut out two identical heart shapes, one large and one small for the butterfly's wings. Attach the hearts together at the points with glue. Create a small body from the strips of paper and glue it in the middle. These steps are optional, so what you want you can make easily. And the next part is the stack and 6 to 8 pieces of tissue paper on top of each other. Tie a ribbon around the middle, gently pull and pull apart the layers to form a pom-pom. Thanks for watching this video.